Happy Monday, everyone. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. I'd love to talk to you about your options here in the Gulf. Now, I want to bring to your attention some homes that have been on the market that recently had a price reduction, and as usual, these price reductions are substantial because homes are sitting on the market longer. So, first off, in Clearwater Beach, we have a beautiful four bedroom, four bath, 4,172 square foot property that's listed with Berkshire Hathaway's Home Services Florida Properties Group, and Kathy Grams is the listing agent. This beauty is on the water, has its own dock, has 120 foot of waterfront, fireplace in the living room. It's amazing, and it's only a 10-minute walk to Clearwater Beach. It's been reduced substantially, $400,000 down to just $2,900,000. So they're quite motivated. Next, we have another Clearwater property. This is a lovely, I can't wait to describe this, a lovely three bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,765 foot property listed with Premier Sotheby's International Realty, and Nick Javonsky is the listing agent. This property has been reduced $121,000 down to $1,474,000. And for that, you get access to the intercoastal, your own dock, a heated in-ground pool, vaulted ceilings on the main level. Now, if these homes or any other of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. I'd like to go over some of the options available here, as well as some other properties that are off market that perhaps you cannot find on the MLS or Zillow. Talk to you later.